In this video, I am going to show you how to block spam calls on your Android phone in the 2026 updated method. So let's begin. Take your phone, open the default phone dialer app. This is the app if you want to use make or receive call. After that, at the top right corner you can see three dot more button. Click on it, go to call settings. Once you are in the call settings page, scroll down slowly, locate the caller ID and spam protection option, tap on it. If it turn off, simply tap on the toggle switch to turn it on first. After it enable, you can see the block spam and scam calls option. Also, if it turn off, simply turn them on too. Once the option is turned on, you can see two options: block all spam and scam calls. The second is only block high risk scam calls. I recommend you always selected the first option, the block all spam and scam calls your phone. Keep in mind, if you not be block all of the spam calls your phone, but you can also reduce them. Thanks for watching. Like this video.